How to start a successful hair salon. This is for everyone. Have you been asking this question lately? How can I start a hair salon? If you answered yes, this is the place to start. Did you know that success does not depend on your qualifications? To start a hair salon, all you need is the will to learn and make your ideas work. You don't need a college degree or have lots of money. Of course, those help, but they are unnecessary. Just have the right attitude. Since people value beauty and health, no matter what the economy is like, starting a hair salon can be a smart business move. Meeting the challenges. It is normal to feel anxious when starting a business, particularly if you have never owned one before. Remember, an uncertain economy, the lack of seed money, long hours of hard work, especially in the beginning, are just some of the challenges of becoming a business owner. But you can be successful if you really want to be. Start making your dream a reality. Many never accomplish anything as they are afraid of failing. This book helps you learn the necessary steps for you to start your own hair salon. It explains the jargon, the specific terms of the industry used so you know how to get started. It provides you step-by-step information to help you feel more comfortable about pursuing your dream of opening a hair salon.